DB is diagonal, and we see these two triangles. I'm just going to go ahead and just label. The left triangle is going to be my triangle 1. Okay? The right triangle is going to be my triangle 2. To use your inequalities or your relationship with the largest angle and the largest side, you need to make sure you have all 3 angles in the triangle. So we need to find the missing angles first. That's always our first step. What is our missing angle for? Angle C is 70. And then right here is 59D. Okay, so they want us to order the sides. If you already told me the sides and I highlighted those from greatest to least. So we have to start with what number? Greatest number. 71. Okay, 71 is in triangle 1. I'm going to look opposite that side or opposite that angle and see the side in that triangle 1, and that would be AD. That's our largest side, and AD is the side to the quadrilateral. Now, here's where we're going to see basically a contradiction. What is the next largest number? 70, right? Okay, yes, 70 and 50. What happens with 70 and 50? They're both pointing to the same side.
Students, pardon the interruption. This is just a reminder. Today is the Wednesday bus count. Please make sure that you distribute the Wednesday bus slip so students have that for.
All right, so since we see this, sorry. Yes, contradiction right here. So always understand right here, this diagonal, put an X through it. We can never use that in identifying a relationship with the quadrilateral. One, first of all, it's not a side, it's inside. It's not a part of the exterior, it's part of the interior. And then right there, we already see that there's no way that if 70 is pointing, or the BD is the segment for 70 and also 50, and those are not the same measurement, they cannot have the same value. So that means, yes, if I was doing basically segments, but if I'm talking about the sides, I want to keep it to the sides. Okay, so now we have to go to the next, basically the next largest number. That would be the 60. So 60 is opposite CD in the triangle, which is also a side in the quadrilateral. So we're just ordering it from greatest to least. So from 62, 59, and that would be AB, and then the last BC. Okay? All right, so guys, I'm going to check for your understanding right now. If you paid attention and you understand the relationship and how to break this down, I'm coming by to check this one example. Okay, guys, yes, again, you have 2 triangles, so you always need to find the missing angles make sure you have all 3 angles in the triangle before you can start comparing sides, because you need to know all 3 angles and then determine which one is the smallest. So in triangle 2 that I have here, 4 is my smallest angle. So I look across or opposite, that means BA is the shortest side. Okay, now this page that we're doing right now, it's not going to be part of your spiral check tomorrow. Okay, we are going to finish whatever we don't get done in class, but everything else that I have on that rubric needs to be in that Unit 4 section, matching your table of contents.
Oh, so as long as it matches.
Yes. All right, let's finish this up real quick. I'm hoping you can give me the order of the angles if I give you the sides, just by looking at the lengths of the sides. We want to go from least to greatest. So, angle C, angle B, then angle A. We're just looking across, looking opposite. Now, on this next one, you have to still use your knowledge base for isosceles triangles. Yeah, that means A is 45 because our base angles. Stop doing that. Like, yeah. Don't worry about it. Yes, he did. not his thing. Okay. Okay. We should have A, then B, then C. 45 is the smallest angle. Then 88, then 90. And okay. All right. So here's our mixed practice for triangle relationships. 1 through 7. Okay. 1 through 7. Let's just make sure we're on the right track. They've already gave you both of the angle measurements for both triangles. Longest segment for BCA. CD or DC. That means we're looking in just this triangle right here. And then we have the second triangle, where you just use that one. All right, shortest segment in triangle BCD. Yeah, BC. Look across. I knew that was going to happen. Okay, so, guys,